Hey guys, thank you for choosing this video to watch. This video is going to be about radiation. Radiation refers to kinetic energy that passes from one location to another. And kinetic energy is the ability to do work, that is, to move an object against resistance. Because this is a broad definition, there are many types of radiation, and some radiation is harmful. So for example, heat and light are types of radiation, as well as X-rays and gamma rays. So we all know that X-rays and gamma rays are dangerous and at times deadly, but what's the difference between X-rays and just heat or light? When people talk about radiation, they are usually talking about ionizing radiation, which is the harmful type of radiation. It is a simple concept as to what makes ionizing radiation deadly and dangerous, but you have to understand the atom. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons are positively charged parts of the atom, and neutrons are neutral. They don't have any charge. Protons and neutrons make up the nucleus of the atom, and they take up the most mass of the atom. Electrons are a lot smaller, and they whiz around the nucleus. They have a negative charge equal in strength to the positively charged protons. A very important fact to keep in mind is that the number of protons in the atom are what determine what the element of the atom is. For example, an atom of carbon always has 6 protons in its nucleus. An atom of aluminum always has 13 protons in its nucleus, and so on. A neutral atom will always have the same number of protons and electrons because the positive charge of the protons and the negative charge of the electrons will balance each other out. Atoms can lose or gain electrons, which are negatively charged particles. When the atom gains or loses an electron, it becomes an ion, meaning that its charge is no longer balanced. When an atom gains an extra negatively charged electron, it becomes a negatively charged atom. When an atom loses an electron, it becomes a positively charged atom because the atom now has more positively charged protons than the negatively charged electrons. Ionizing radiation has so much energy that when it comes in contact with the atom, it knocks an electron out of its orbit. If this happens to an atom that is in your DNA, it causes the DNA to become more sticky and more likely to become mutated, which can lead to cancer, which is why ionizing radiation is so dangerous. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.